Hi guys, before we proceed to the video, I would like to say thank you so much for supporting this channel. And here's your random shout out. Shout out, Mamai Redondo, Maria, Repnu Gaming, Mako, Marvin John Ardada, Jiger Tako, Jarl Jaja, 68 Ms, Vesite, Daniel Aleo, Buteri Dia. If you want to shout out or get mentioned in the next video, please subscribe and comment with hashtag HarTzy TV. Who want this? Open Capcut. Create a new project. Before we edit the video, we will put first the animation on the photo that we were going to use. Click the photo. Add animation. Use this animation with a duration of 3 seconds. And then save the photo. Replace it with the other photo. And then, use the same animation. After we put the first animation on the photo, we will replace it with the clips that we already saved. Add another animation with the durations of 1 second. Add the swing bottom animation. And then save. Next, replace it with another clip. And do the same process. These are the result by combining the two animation, which is the shake 1 and swing bottom. If you want more edit of combined animation, let me know in the comment section. Let's proceed to the next step. Let's create another new project. Add photo. Click the audio. And then, extract this video clip into sound. Make the duration of the photo into 5.1 seconds. Next, let's add effects. Use the scrolling projection effect. Trim the effect like this, and then copy. Copy the effect until you reach the end. Let's add another effect. Use the 9 screens effect. Okay, let's proceed to the next steps. Add filter. Add overlay. Please follow and don't skip the video. Make the duration of overlay into 5.1 seconds, same to our main photo. Add animation. Use the rock vertically animation with the duration of 2.0 seconds. Add keyframe where the music stopped. Add another keyframe. Add another keyframe. And then drag the photo to fill in the screen. Let's play the result. The next step, we are going to use the clip that we made recently. Trim the clip by moving this part. Add animation. Later I will post on the screen the durations of the first clip. Add the swing right animation with the max duration. Add the same clip. Let's trim this clip on the left side first to make a 2.0 seconds duration. And then, trim again at the right side of the clip to create the duration for beats. This clip doesn't have animation. Copy the clip. And these are the durations. Add the another clip and make the same process. These are the durations. Add again the same clips. This is also the same process on the first clips. These are the durations. Let's add mirror. These are the clips that has been added to mirror effect. This is for first clip. This is for second clip. This is for third clip. In this part we are going to zoom in some of the clips. It has been posted recently while we adding the mirror, in which part of clip we are going to zoom in. Let's see the result, and I'm so sorry for my lagging phone. Let's make the white flash effect. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.